Good morning. Yes, it is morning. Today, I'm getting my hair colored to blonde with Cassandra. That's what it looks like. Trash hole today. I decided that I'm gonna document the whole process because it's been ages since I've done a video. And this is a fun one, I think. Every time I upload or want to upload a video, by the time I get the content, edit it, I like never want to post it because it's like it's out of date or it just like doesn't apply to me anymore. So, and I know this is really dangerous, but luckily there aren't many cars on the road. So, yeah, I'm gonna document this and take you through the process of me going blonde. I'm gonna really expose myself because I feel like I usually do my hair a specific style. And it's always front because I hate my forehead. So you'll probably see my forehead today. And I'm not excited about it, but it's gonna be a fun process. Cassandra is literally the best colorist in LA. I know I have other colorist friends who are probably gonna hate me for that. But yeah, I just think that, I mean, obviously there's so much talent here in LA, but she's just someone who I know I can trust with the health of my hair. And when I was a colorist, I used to always say, like, healthy hair is beautiful hair, no matter what. Like, I would much rather have a color that's not exactly perfect for me as long as my hair feels good. Obviously, like, the right tone, but maybe, like, not as light as you want to go, but as long as your hair feels good. And Cassandra just gets that, you know, she takes people to where they want to be, but she's gonna do it in steps that are manageable and are gonna be healthy for your hair type. And I just like that about her. So yeah, enjoy the process. Here we are. The salon is called 454. It's so cute in here. And I am going upstairs. Let's check it out. So it begins. Cassandra loves to part me in weird ways.
Doesn't anyone notice this? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
And that's how we start. Super fun.
Under heat.
So we've done the first round. This is Cassandra. We did
Hit the roots.
So we did all the ends and now we're reapplying. We did the roots. We're going blonde AF. But not white.
Not white.
No.
Soft champagne.
Champagne, buttery.
We're gonna make
creamy.
our own. What are we gonna call it? We'll make our own name for your hair color.
I know, I need to think of that.
Yeah.
It's gonna reflect champagne. It has to be like rich and champagne. We'll think of it. I'm like shocked at how fast my hair is lifting. They only did one application. We didn't rinse off anything, which I love. Because sometimes they'll want to like rinse it, shampoo it, reapply it, and it always like just causes the scalp so much more pain than you need. Oops. Gotta go.
But all I'm saying, they're gonna get I'm just.
Anyway, so yeah, I'm glad that it's only one application. Reapply, it just keeps your head from burning so much. So super excited to be blonde again. We have these cute chairs outside. Obsessed. Probably am not supposed to be out here in the sun, but I said I was going to the bathroom. But I'm obsessed. Do you like my look? Reapplying again.
And it's nice.
We've Did you put Olaplex in?
I did. I actually put Olaplex on your hair and I'm applying the product over that. So there's a little extra barrier protection.
Yeah, so now Cassie's like one
Worst angle ever.
star.
At the final stage.
Shampoo time.
Yeah, it is.
What do we use?
For shampoo?
No, for toner.
I can't tell you, it's a secret. Always Shades EQ. You'd be very surprised. I actually used a 9G with clear and a 9NB in the opposite direction. Wait till you see the end result.
You essentially used something that was like a little more neutral. Because I like a good buttery blonde, you know? We are running out the door, but it is so pretty. I'll show you my reference photo because I really don't like ashy hair color. So my reference photo was this like really buttery blonde. So can't wait to show you guys the dry product. Right now there's a treatment in the hair just to air dry it, make it look as healthy as possible. What? Day 2 at Cassandra's. I had to run out the door and go to a client, so we did not get to finish up. It is beautiful right now, my hair color, but it's still a little bit of yellow, more yellow than I want. So we're gonna finish it up today.
What's your new hairdo?
We're back with Mr. Mugatu, and I think we're gonna do one more round of bleach.
Finishing her up.
Just like a little 5-minute, 10-minute session, and then tone one more time, and we will be done.
Set.
And I'm still scared of growing old. You were good to me.
We've arrived.
I want one, like, you want the sparkle one?
Hello, boo-hoo. And voila, that has been my entire blonde hair journey. Thank you guys for watching. I forgot to film an outro, so I included some little short clips of the final product of me as a blonde, and that night I went out. So 2 clips from that. Trust me, you don't want to see the rest. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Glen Coco for hair for more of my life journey, my work journey, my health journey, and my hair journey. Signing off. Au revoir.